have a candy box unboxing, I guess. This is International Candy Company on Etsy, and I got this box for me and my granddaughter to do a. We are supposed to be doing the unboxing together, but she's run into a little snafu with schoolwork, so she's not going to be able to do this. So I'm just going to show you guys what we have, and maybe we'll do the tasting a little later, or I'll buy another box. But first, let me just say this box is a box. The last box that we got was hardly anything in it, and this thing is chock full. I haven't opened it yet, but I can just see. Look at this. It's just like, oh, here's the cards, by the way. International Candy Company. And their business card. But it's just like chock full of tons of candy. And also the other candy box that I got was also a lot of non-candy. And it looks like this is all candy, although I haven't looked through it because I just unsealed it. So, I mean, it's like 2 pounds worth of candy here. There's no way my granddaughter and I could taste every piece in an unboxing. Look at this thing. Looks like little pineapple candies. But it feels like gummy. I think this is gummy candy in there. It is all international candy. So I don't even know what's in these things. Unless, for instance, this one. Obviously, it's gummy candy. Oh, look. What's this? Bubble gum. Shape of basketballs. Tons and tons of hard candy in here. There's, I think these are like little gummy candies. Like I feel them and it's squishy. I think it's a little gummy candy. We have a bunch of these things in here. Don't know what they are. Feels kind of like, maybe like, what are those bendy candies? It feels like it's like a taffy type thing. Yeah, it's just literally, I can just keep going. What's this? Salsa Getty. Tons and tons of stuff. What's that down there? I would love to tell you I know what it is, but it's like literally, look, it's never ending. Never ending. What's the bottom of this? What's this? Oh, Mamba. That's familiar to me. What's this? Just the end of it here. Wafers. Milk wafers. This is something that was sent to me. I'll need to open that up in a moment. It was a special gift. We have a bunch of these little guys too. Chewing gum in different flavors. What's this? Ooh, it's not focusing in. Oh, this is bubble gum as well. Wow. Then we have, what the hey is this? And this thing here. Don't know. Does the candy look like this, or does candy look like that? Feels like, I can't tell. Feels like kind of round. Oh, this is kind of cute. It's a cone snack and strawberry. So anyway, as I was saying, tons and tons of stuff in here. Look at this thing. Power Bursts. Gummy candies. So this is just filled with gummy candies. Hey, this might not last until my granddaughter gets out of her little, whatever kind of trouble she is with her daddy. Because I do love a gummy candy. And then here's a letter from Angelo International Candy Company.
Wow.
And yeah. So tons and tons of stuff in here. That was literally like 2 pounds of candy. for the same price that I paid for that small thing on eBay, I believe. This is from Etsy. Tons of candy and gum. And finally, we have this thing right here. I'll be right back with this. All right, so this is what was in the other package. So this company is owned by Angelo, and Angelo's wife owns the Graveyard Offerings 13 shop that I've been doing a bunch of mystery unboxings from on Etsy. And so she sent me a little gift. And so I already have the bracelet of this, but this appears to be the anklet. Yay! Thank you so much, Leah. Thank you so much. I love, love, love it. I'm going to wear it proudly. So again, International Candy Company, and if pretty soon, hopefully, we'll do a tasting, or maybe this won't make it to the tasting, and then I'll have to buy another box and to do a tasting, because I don't know how long this girl's going to be on punishment. All right, guys, that's it for International Candy Company. I'm trying to find his other card. What did I do with it? It's just lost in this pile of candy here. Here it is. So you can find them on Etsy, and here's the information. That's it, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.